Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word embassies. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The two countries agreed to establish embassies in each other's capitals to strengthen diplomatic relations. Embassies refer to official government offices located in foreign countries to represent and promote the interests of their home country in diplomatic relations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.